Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on Collocations. We will continue with the topic of nature, and today we are going to look at the collocations that go with the word beach. Now, let's look at some adjectives that go with the word beach. 1. Sandy beach, a sandy beach, a pebble beach, a pristine beach, a secluded beach, a stunning beach, a sun-drenched beach, sun-drenched, sun-drenched beach, sun-drenched beach, a rocky coastline. Okay, some adjectives to describe the atmosphere. 1. A crowded beach, a crowded beach, a deserted beach, a deserted beach, a popular beach, a windswept beach, windswept beach, a family-friendly beach, a family-friendly beach. Now let's look at some verb that go with some verb collocations that you can use. Number 1, the tide goes out. The tide goes out. The tide comes in. The tide comes in. Waves crash on the shore, or waves lap on the shore. So crash on the shore, lap on the shore. The sun beats down. The sun beats down. The beach stretches for miles. The beach stretches for miles. Okay, some noun collocations, or this one we have the beach things or the things that you see on the beach. 1. Beach sand. Beach sand. 2. A beach hut. A beach hut. 3. A beach towel. Towel. Next, a beach umbrella. Beach umbrella. Next, seaweed. Seaweed. Next, tide line. Tide line. Next, shoreline. Shoreline. Next, water's edge. Water's edge. Or you can say water's edge. Water's edge. Now let's look at the activities at the beach. 1. Go for a swim. Or go for a dip. Go for a swim. Go for a dip. And you can add in the ocean. Go for a swim in the ocean. Go for a dip in the ocean. 2. Take a stroll. Take a stroll along the water's edge. Take a stroll along the water's edge. 3. Lounge. Lounge on a sunbed. Lounge on a sunbed. 4. Build a sandcastle. Build a sandcastle. 5. Play beach volleyball. Play beach volleyball. Next, sunbathe on the sand. Sunbathe on the sand. Next, go surfing. Go surfing. Or go paddle boarding. Go paddle boarding. Next, collect seashells. Collect seashells. Next, enjoy a beach bonfire. Enjoy a beach bonfire. Now let's look at the feelings and sensations at the beach. 1. A feeling of pure relaxation. A feeling of pure relaxation. Feeling utterly free, utterly, utterly free. 3. A sense of peace and calm, a sense of peace and calm, a sense of peace and calm. 4. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up the sunshine. 5. Washed over by a wave of tranquility, tranquility. Washed over by a wave of tranquility. Feeling the gentle sea breeze, sea breeze. Feeling the gentle sea breeze. The rhythmic sound of the waves, rhythmic, rhythmic. The rhythmic sound of the waves. Next, breathing the salty air, salty, salty. Breathing the salty air. If you want to have some practice, here are some questions for you. 1. Do you like beaches? Why or why not? Are there any beaches in your hometown or near where you live? 3. How often do you go to the beach? 4. What kinds of activities do you usually do at the beach? 5. What's your favorite beach you ever visited? 6. Would you prefer a quiet beach or a crowded one? Why? 7. Do you think it's important to protect beaches? 8. Do you prefer sandy beaches or rocky ones? 9. What kind of weather do you think is best for a trip to the beach? Thank you for listening. Hope that this episode can help you with some vocabulary to discuss the topic of going to the beach. Thank you.